Hello there, this is me again, back with my Kawasaki ER6N. This is a 2010 model, and this is with my Blackwidow 200mm can on the end. I was hoping to do another quick video to show you the baffles. The baffles themselves come out with one little 4mm Allen key. Just to show you, it's a two-stage baffle really. You can have it like this, which is standard, or then you can chop the end of this off, which is intermediate, or likewise you can take the whole thing out. But the beauty of it is it does come out with literally one screw. So I'm just going to put this baffle in and give you a go of what it sounds like, and that's it in there, nice and secure. So it's a 4mm Allen key, handy to keep on you if you do want to take it out, because you can always put it back in. And let me start her up for you. So that's with the full baffle in, that's supplied by Blackwidow. It is nice, you get a nice bit of backfire. It is good, I do like it. You get a nice burble from it. But if you take the baffle out, and it's good to have a spare one, you can then chop these ends off to give you an intermediate sound. And like you get on Blue Peter, here's one I prepared earlier. So I've chopped the end off just quickly to show you the difference. So we'll get that in. So this is now with the sort of intermediate baffle. So standard baffle, chop the ends off, and we'll see what that sounds like. Believe it or not, that is noisy to me anyway, and when you're actually running around town, it's okay, it's a lot of fun, it is good, a lot more backfire from it, but on a longer run I think it gets a little bit noisy. And to be honest, I've just lost the screw behind the hole there, which can be done. I'll have to fish that out later. So we'll just hear what it sounds like now without any baffles in, just to give you a last comparison. So that's it again without the baffles in. So it's nice, you've got three stages really. The standard stock baffle, you can chop the end off as well, and then you can have it without. So it's quite nice, and say I carry a spare one just so I can put the standard one back in when needed. But I hope that was useful.